Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making a grilled salami sandwich in the air fryer. What we need is salami, slices of cheese, mayo, mustard, and bread. So I'm going to take 2 slices of bread and I'm going to spread them with mayo. So we just need a thin layer of mayo. And now flip the bread over, so mayo is going to be on the outside of the sandwich. And now the inside, I'm going to spread it with mustard. So now add 2 cheese slices, 1 slice for each bread. And add several slices of salami. So I just add 4 slices of salami and top it with the other bread. So mayo is on the outside of the sandwich. And now let's take out the air fryer basket. Put the sandwich in the air fryer. Put the basket in the air fryer, and I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 5 minutes for now. And then I will finish cooking later and add more time. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to flip the sandwich over because see, it's nicely browned on top. Looks amazing and brown, but on the other side, it's still white. So I flipped it over, and now I'm going to put it back in the air fryer and set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I will set the time to 2 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the salami sandwich. Look at that, now it's perfectly browned on the other side. It looks amazing. Let me take it out of the air fryer. Perfectly grilled on both sides, brown and brown. Looks amazing. And the bread is so crispy. Let me just cut it. So the bread is crispy and inside the cheese is melted. And salami is hot and the cheese is melted. It looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. This is amazing. The bread is perfectly brown and crispy, and salami is hot and the cheese is melted. You are going to love this salami sandwich made in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!